Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic piece of home fitness equipment, the folding exercise bike with a 225-pound weight capacity. If you're looking for a convenient way to stay fit at home, you're in the right place. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what is the folding exercise bike all about? This compact exercise bike is designed to fit seamlessly into your home, making it perfect for those with limited space. Whether you're living in a small apartment or just don't want a bulky gym machine taking over your living room, this bike is a great choice. Its solid X-frame foldable design allows you to fold it down to just 18.1 inches by 18.1 inches when not in use. This means you can easily store it away in a closet or slide it under the bed, keeping your space neat and organized. Now, let's talk about the features that make this bike stand out. First, comfort is key, and this bike delivers with its large anatomically designed seat that supports you during those longer workouts. Coupled with multi-position padded handlebars, you can find the perfect grip that feels comfortable and natural, whether you're cycling at a leisurely pace or pushing yourself to the limit. The bike also features a 2-inch by 1-inch LCD window that clearly displays important metrics like speed, distance, time, calories burned, and even your pulse. Keeping track of your progress is crucial for motivation, and this display makes it easy to monitor your stats at a glance. For those looking to customize their workouts, this bike offers 8 levels of resistance. You can quickly adjust the intensity with a large manual dial located conveniently below the console. This feature means you can start off easy and gradually increase the challenge as your fitness level improves. So, who is this bike suitable for? It's a versatile option for a wide range of users. Whether you're a beginner just starting on your fitness journey or a seasoned cyclist looking for a convenient way to keep up with your routine at home, this bike accommodates all levels. Its sturdy construction supports a weight capacity of 225 pounds, so it's built to last and can handle a variety of users. Now, let's explore a few practical use cases. Imagine those chilly winter mornings when you don't want to step outside for your workout. This bike allows you to get your cardio in without having to brave the cold. Or perhaps you're a busy parent juggling work and family, this bike can fit into your schedule as you squeeze in a workout during nap time. It's also perfect for watching your favorite shows or catching up on podcasts while getting your exercise in, creating a fun and engaging way to stay active. In conclusion, the folding exercise bike offers a compact, comfortable, and flexible workout solution that caters to a wide audience. With its thoughtful design and user-friendly features, it encourages regular exercise without the hassle of a large, cumbersome machine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.